Hey, are you looking for the best earbuds under $100 from Aliexpress? I have fixed the top 5 best Aliexpress earbuds of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the earbuds are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's enjoy this video. In at number 5, the Earbuds, Sanlepus new wireless earbud. Recently this earbud price is $23.99. You will be able to taste powerful and dynamic sound, so you can enjoy original music like you are a party. It delivers high voltage, will provide you immersive noise reduction, and enhances human voices for calls. It is provided with high magnetic density and superior stability by the dynamic driver. It will fit your ears for more comfortable and stable wear and will sound deep in your ears because it is designed ergonomically for maximum comfort. It responds precisely to your demands because it is provided with a highly sensitive sensor. You can make calls or change music easily with its touch control system, which is easy to control. You can play and pause music by clicking 2 times in the left earbud. You can go to the next track by clicking the right earbud twice. You can activate voice assistant by long pressing for 2 seconds in the left or right earbud. You can answer the call by clicking once in the left or right earbud. You can also end the call by clicking twice in the left or right earbud, and also can decline the call by clicking twice in the left or right earbud. The audio information of the left and right channels can be transmitted to the left and right earbuds synchronously and separately. It is provided with this highly efficient Bluetooth transmission protocol. You will get up to 4 hours of listening, and up to 16 hours when combined with the charging case in one charge. You will get immersive audio and synchronization while gaming or watching videos. Because it is provided with a Bluetooth 5.0 chipset that runs a synchronous dual-channel transmission system to reduce latency. It works well with iPhone, iPad, and Android systems, and any other device with Bluetooth function. In at number 4, the Earbuds, Ugreen Heaton wireless earbud. Already this earbud price is $37.59. You will get 2 music modes to match your style or modes. One is balanced and another mode is super bass mode. You can enjoy music in normal mode in balanced mode or enjoy super bass in super bass mode. You will get a comfortable fitting and will be able to enjoy the music with more comfortableness because it is provided with a unique ergonomic design and ultra lightweight body. You will also get the freedom to use them separately or in twin mode. You will get a playtime of 9 hours and that can be extended to 27 hours with the charging case, and they support USB-C fast charging. You will be able to experience crystal clear sound because it is provided with Qualcomm CVC 8.0 noise cancelling technology. You can easily control the phone with the touch of a finger. In one click, you can play or pause the audio, answer or end the calls. In double tap, you can go to the next song. In triple touch, you can go to the previous song. In long press for 2 seconds, you will be able to get access with the voice assistant, or you can reject the calls. In quadruple tap, you can switch between super bass and normal mode. It supports aptX, AAC, SBC for lossless audio transmission. It is a truly wireless headphone set that adopts the advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology and Qualcomm chip. In at number 3, the best earbud is Fanque XB200MQ stereo wireless earbud. Now, this earbud price is $69.30. You will be able to taste truly original sound and powerful bass performance. It is provided with a large 8mm speaker driver, which is 1.77 times the drive area than the normal driving area. You will be able to experience super audio, movies, podcast, calls, and more in an entirely new way too. You will be able to experience exceptional seal and enjoy the superior noise cancelling. It is provided with 3 sizes of flexible silicone tips with an inner taper, which matches the shape of the ear. They won't get in the way of enjoying sports, music, and calls where there are risks of water and sweating. They are against damage from sweat or rain because it is provided with IPX8 water resistant. It is provided with a premium metal case that protects your wireless headphones and also looks very fashionable. You can check the left or right earbud strength and charging status at any time because it is provided with LED display on the box. You will get the opportunity to recharge your earbuds when on the go, to deliver 7 hours listening time and 5 hours talk time on one recharge. Total 120 hours of playing time with charging case because it is provided with a 3500 mAh portable charging case. You will get 2x faster transmission speed and a more stable connection without signal loss or music leakage because it is provided with the most advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology. After picking up 2 headphones from the charging box, it will connect each other automatically. Then you just have to take one step to easily set the Bluetooth mobile phone to pair the earbuds. In at second place, Fiio, UTWS3 Earhook True Wireless Earbud. Already, its price is $89.99. It can be your perfect companion for attending phone calls. It is provided with 2 built-in microphones. The primary microphone will pick up your voice while the secondary microphone will be used to clean the ambient environmental noise, using the latest Qualcomm Clear Voice Capture noise cancelling technology. It will give you 26 levels of independent volume adjustments and it will be separated entirely from the connected source's volume setting. Your desired volume setting will be recorded. Whenever you will turn the device on, there is no need to adjust the volume buttons again and again. They will be turned on as soon as you open the lid of the case and will be turned off while closing it will turn them off. You will have to simply press the pairing button on the charging case to pair them. You will get protection against sweat or water splashes while working out or doing other day-to-day activities because it is provided with IPX4 water resistance. You will get a stable, lag-free Bluetooth connection with high-resolution codec support including aptX, AAC, and SBC. It is equipped with the latest Qualcomm QCC3020 Bluetooth chip. The device lets you enjoy wireless freedom with your hi-fi earphones with the latest Bluetooth 5.0. It is also equipped with the TPA6140A2 amplifier chip that reduces distortion and increases output power for multi-driver headphones. You will get no primary or secondary ear unit. Both sides act as a primary unit with the source device because it is provided with Qualcomm's latest true wireless stereo and dual transmission technology. In at number 1, the earbud is Tronsmart Apollo Bold Active Noise Cancelling Earbud. Recently, this earbud price is $99.99. You can explore all the details and will get a superb sound quality because it is provided with Qualcomm aptX decoders. The Apollo Bold brings you unprecedented user experience and sound quality because it is equipped with Qualcomm QCC5124 main chip. It will cancel out noise from every angle. It is provided with active noise cancellation, 360-degree hybrid technology with microphones. It is manufactured in a smart way that when you put it on the ear it automatically plays music, and when you take it out, it will pause. It will give you great consistency, stable performance, less signal interference, high penetration, large transmission area, wide signal range because it is manufactured with an LDS laser antenna. You can use it for 1 hour by fast charging with a Type-C charger for only 10 minutes. You will also get 10 hours of playtime on a single charge and more than 30 hours of playtime with a charging case. It gives desirable sound without any delay because it is manufactured with true wireless advanced stereo and synchronous signal transmission technology. Don't forget to subscribe. And I request you please share this video.